Good evening! I got a late start on this day, so tonight's video is a productive nighttime reset vlog. Let's start! I saw a rosé tteokbokki video on TikTok recently and have been craving it ever since, so that's what we're making today. I slept in on this day, so I wasn't tired enough to sleep by midnight and decided to organize my desk. It was getting super late, so even though I'm not tired yet, I decided to get ready for bed. I really like this brush cleaner from Sigma Beauty. It sticks onto the side of your sink and lathers the soap in between the bristles. It actually used to have soap attached to it, but it ran out, so now I just use a separate soap from Cinema Secrets. At this point, it's probably around 3 a.m., but I'm still feeling really energized, so I turned on my projector and doodled a bit to unwind. And that concludes this productive evening. I ended up sleeping really late, but I felt refreshed from the long overdue cleaning session. I hope you liked this video, and good night!